Okay, I'm gonna show you this app for your Honeywell smart thermostat. I'm gonna show you what you want to do. What you do is go to your app store here, and you just type in start typing in Honeywell, and click on a thermostat. And what you want to do is download this app that says 72 degrees total connect comfort. Once you download it and got everything set up in the system, I got two of them. I'm gonna click on it. As you can see, I got one for the downstairs and upstairs. I'm gonna click on my downstairs, and it's 75 degrees in my house right now. I'm in Louisiana, and I live in Houston, so I'm looking at my thermostat here from Louisiana. And it doesn't matter, you could be anywhere in the world, you can control your thermostat. So we're gonna click on it. We know it's on heat. And there in the top or right-hand side is 73 degrees outside. Inside my house is 75, and my heat set point is 70. You can adjust that. If I want it to go to 72, I do that and I hit submit. Once I hit submit, it says it's gonna hold it until the next change, which is 6 o'clock p.m. And I really like this. It's so simple. Down here at the bottom, you have your home, then you have your system. And mine's set for heat. And you could change it to cool if you want to. You could change it to auto or off. Auto, I think that's a cool feature. Once you click it on auto, it'll sense the temperature in your house. And if it gets too cold, it'll turn the heat on. It gets too hot, it'll turn the AC on. So you know, in Houston, it could be 40 degrees one day. The next day, it could be 75. So you don't know whether to go from heat to cool in your house. So you could just set it on auto, and it would do that for you. And then you got your fan. I got mine on auto, or you could turn your fan on, and that's gonna run your fan 24 hours a day in your schedule. And you could go in and you could adjust your schedule. Like I got my wake up time, 6 o'clock a.m. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna change it to 6:15, and I'm gonna change that to 74 and hit done. So once I submit this, it's gonna change my settings in my thermostat. And this has a smart sensor too. You see it's got 74 degrees. It senses how long it's gonna take to get your temperature to 74 degrees by 6:15. So if it's gonna take 30 minutes, it'll turn your heat on at 5:45. And by 6:15, it'll be 74 degrees in your house. And that's how cool this thing is. So if you wanna purchase one of these thermostats, just look in the description below. I love it. We could be in Jamaica, we could be in the Bahamas, and if we need to turn our thermostat off, we just go to system and hit the off button and hit submit. It'll turn it off. All right. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.